Shabanasa. Everybody is doing fine. This video, I'm going to take you through how you can create your own app using Lyec app. Yes, they're just simple steps, but I just need your attention. Give me some time. By the end of the video, you will be able to make your own app. Let's follow the steps properly. Yes, the first step we're going to do is to create a spreadsheet using Google Sheets. So how do you do that? You just come to your browser. This is Google Chrome. You open. You come and search for drive.google.com. Search. So this will automatically take you to your drive. So this is the thing. This is all what is displayed here. This is the Google Drive for your email address. So when it displays like this, you just come to My Drive, you right click, you select Google Sheets. So this is the spreadsheet under Google Sheets. So when it displays like this, based on the type of app that you want to create, all what your app is going to be concerning all about, you can rename this sheet by clicking here and rename it. For my case, I'm going to just give you I'm going to make an app concerning the types of foods. Yeah, enter. So this is my types of foods. Yes, so let me add in some data here in the worksheet. So I'll need the name of the food, description, and most probably I also need the image. Yeah, so I don't have this data. Just a simple example, we can get the data from Google. So I can come to Google Chrome, search for some simple data, different types of foods, search. So I can see foods here. Let me pick some simple data that we can use. So let me select some vegetables. So amongst the different types of foods, we have the vegetables. I can come back to my spreadsheet. Have the vegetables. Let me get the description. Can copy data from here and paste it here. Can write, also get it from there. This is the image for the vegetables. But for the case of Google Sheets, you can copy the image address. You can copy the image address and then put it in the Google Sheets. Yeah, you can wrap your text. Then we can also get another type of vegetable. It's fruits. So we have fruits. Let's get the description. Just a simple description. Just want to show you an example so that you can make your own app basing on what you want to make. So you can copy this data. Here can wrap the text. So this is fruits, and then the image this is the image for the fruits. You can copy image address and paste it here. Can wrap your text. Can get the third type of fruits. Say it is grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Description. It's enough. Can copy and paste it here in the spread in the worksheet. Wrap your text. It says grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. You can wrap your text. So the image, you can copy the image address. This is the image. You can copy the image address and paste it here. You can wrap our text. So this is enough. Let's use this data to create our own app using the Glide app. So this is the first step that we have. A spreadsheet using the Google Sheets. So after that, we can minimize. You can minimize automatically saved in a Google Sheets. It's automatically saved there. So you can close this. So the next step, after creating the spreadsheet from using the Google Sheets, the next step you do, you have to log in into the Glide app website. So how do you do that? You come back to Google Chrome. So you log in into the Glide app website. You just type Glide app. So you come and click here, create apps and website without code. So this is what displays when you come into the Glide app website. So if you're logging in for the first time, if you have never used this app, you'll come and click on this sign up button. Click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will take you to where you have to put in your name, your email address, just simple data. So but if you already have the account, just like I already have the account, and you type in your email address, mine is nasserashaba@gmail.com, then you'll come and log in. Let's wait. Yeah, so this is what displays. What it displays? It displays something like. So when it displays this content, you come at this new project. because you're going to create your own app. So you come at new project. Sorry, still loading. So you come at new project, to just left on it. So you can name your app based on what you want to, the name of your app, what the name of your app you want it to be. You can name it your based on what you want the name of your app to be. So since I'm writing the app on the types of foods, I can name it food app. So after that, you come and select, you're going to use glide app, and then you continue. So we have already created our spreadsheet using, we're going to use Google Sheets, and then after that you continue. So since we have selected that we're going to use Google Sheets, we have already and we have named the types of foods. So you come and select your spreadsheet, it's types of foods. You come and select it, and then after selecting it, you click down here. So let's wait and see what will be displayed. So as you see, your app is already created here. It's just loading. It's just going, but it's fine. So this is what will display. This is what will be displayed after you select the spreadsheet. So this is the data we have entered into our spreadsheet. This is our data. So to summarize, you have to edit your app so that it looks nice to the viewers. So how do you do that? So you have to make some changes. So when you come to edit list, you can click the style of which you want to your app to look, your data to look like. You can select all these styles. This is in tiles, this is in cards, this is in swipe, this is in details. Those are the details. So let's select. To me, the best style is select tiles. But as you look through our data here, our data, it looks untidy, because when you look at the image, you look at the name of the food, this is the description, so it looks untidy. So you come on the right corner, just here. Since we want to reduce on the content that is displayed here, we can just edit. You click on the details, description, so we can remove our details from being. How do you do so? Come and click, you select description, and then you click on this dash. It means your description will automatically disappear. It will not look at your app. When this is the face of the app, your description will not be there. So after that, you can continue to click down. This is the tile shape. You can select, right? You click there, select. These are shapes, square. That is how a square looks like. You can select, according to me, you can select this 3x2. It looks a bit simple and clear. So you can select the number of tiles per row. That is when you want to fix. These are the tiles. One tile, this is another tile. So per row, you can select the number of tiles there. 2, we have selected 2 tiles. If you want, you can select 1 tile, and select 2. So you can select 3. But I think if we leave it at 1, since we have simple tile there, So you can edit the font size of our names of the folds. You can edit the font size, can make it to be clear to everybody. Yes, so I think that one is okay. So when you click on one type of font, when you click, this is what will display. So this is what will display on one type of font. Yeah, so when you see that, the title is the name of the font. So these are the fonts that we have. When you open your app, this is what will be displayed. But if you want to see the detail of the thing, of the font, you want to see its description, you click on the font, that's what we'll see. And then after that, you have to edit form. You allow your users to edit. If you don't allow your users to edit, they will not add. They will not be able to add. But if you want them to add, you can allow them to edit. So when you allow them to edit, this mark here will appear in your app. But if you don't allow them to edit, it will disappear. I think it's better to allow them to edit. So this is how our app will look like. The styles. So finally, we can then go on to the last step of how to create an app using the Glide app. And then the last step is what we call to publish your app. You can then publish your app. That is when you have done some changes on how you want it to look like, be there, the style. After editing, then you can finally come at the top right corner, there is publish. You can then publish your app. So this is what comes. You can up. So as it is processing, just wait. Will display, but it is published. But when you want to share it with somebody, you need to edit this. You edit your password. Sorry about the internet. Sorry about the internet. That's the internet errors. Sorry about that. Let's be patient. Click on you add your information because when you share it with somebody, you have to edit what you want those people to, the features of what the app those people will receive. So you have to make it public. See this top right corner, privacy. So when to share it with people in the public, you have to make the app public. If you make it public with email, when somebody receives that app, he or she won't be able to open the app unless if the email on your email address, because you're the creator of the app, you will be sent a password of which you have to send it to that person in order for that person to open, which is hectic. So you can make it public. This is making it free, so that when somebody receives the app, can freely open the app without needing a code or a password. So you can make it public here, and then after that you can come here, share. So on sharing, you can decide to first send it to some number, phone number, and check how your app will look like in the phone. So I can decide to first share it on my number. So after that, I can send the app. So I've sent the app. Your app is already published, so you are done with making your step. And when you try to look at your personal information that you've edited, it tell you that your app is public, so anybody can use your app without needing a password. So you can send it to several people. You can try to send it to members that is sharing the app. Send. So you have sent the app. So that's how you can create your app using the Glide app. That's in one of the forms of how you can create the app using the Google Sheets. So this process that we have described is to create the app using the Google Sheets. In the next video, in the next lecture, we are going to see how you can create the app using the Glide, that is using the database, and that is basically for businesses databases, whereby the data is inbuilt inside the Glide app. So this we have carried the data from the Google Sheets, which is not in the Glide app, but the other one, the data is inbuilt in the Glide app. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching. I beg that you try it out, and then if you do make the app, you try to share it with some people. You also see how your app will look like, and then you share your experience. Thank you.